What we have here is two stripped holes on the neck of this guitar. This is a vintage bass. It's a Yamaha, and it's got some stripped holes, and you got two different types of bolts, some machine heads here and some regular wood screws. Okay, and they screw in from the back, but what we got here is stripped holes. The wood screws are stripped out, so it kind of collapses on the neck when you try to tighten the strings. So I'm going to attempt to drill this out. Yep, it's kind of a rare guitar. I picked this thing up off of a marketplace, and I'm kind of enjoying messing with it. It's an old guitar too. It's probably from 1966-68, and I got a real good deal on it, so pretty happy with that. I think it's a Yamaha sb-5a or Yamaha sb-5a. I'm not real sure. It's kind of hard to tell. I've looked for some identification on it. There's none here. There's none in here, but there is a serial number. It says 1990 right there. So it's got blue paint in here, and it's black painted on top of that. I don't know if it was blue originally. It looks like it. The neck is got the Yamaha logo right there, but you can't really see it because it's black on top of the logo. So it's kind of weird. You can make it out, and it's Yamaha Electric Nippon Gaki Company Ltd, made in Japan, probably around 66, 68. I'm not sure exactly. But what I'm going to attempt to do is re-drill this and put a dowel in there, glue it in, so we have some real meat here so we can actually tighten down the neck. Okay, that's all for right now. I'll get back with you in a minute. Yeah, measuring how deep this hole is. Both holes are not the same. Yeah, but pretty close. And then I'm gonna mark my drill with that. I've got the drill marked for the depth. Seems like it's a lot. I've centered it up in the hole. I'm going to go ahead and drill the first hole, and then I'm going to drill this other hole, and then we're going to upsize it a little bit and get a dowel to fit. This is the scary part, but it's got to be done. Didn't have really a lot of dowels, but I did have this size. It's quite a bit bigger than the hole, but they fit nice. And I'm gonna epoxy those in there. Put a layer of epoxy down the bottom, and I think it should be pretty good. I didn't really want to go with that size of a dowel, but I didn't have anything else. So hopefully this works all right. Very nervous doing this, but it's gotta be done. Well, I got them in. They're all epoxied in. A little bit bigger dowel I wanted, but I like the idea of some fresh wood there and epoxy. But the guy that was playing this bass, he was playing it loose, and the headstock was pulling away from the body of the guitar, so I think I've improved it. But yeah, those were a little bit bigger. I want to put in. I'm gonna let this dry and then or cure, and then I'll see if I can kind of deck it off and make it a little bit more level. All right. Rather than sand, I'm using a COVID mask to burnish the rest of it off. I'm kind of polish up without tearing up the finish any more than I ever have. I mean, that I have already. So, but I mean, this finish wasn't that great on the bottom of this headstock anyway. Anyway, I'd rather burnish than sand. Take me a while. I might get some alcohol. A little bit of paint on here. Feeling some of these scratches. This is like some black paint. Looks pretty good, actually. Might do a little bit of sandpaper right here. Seems like it's not as flat as I want it.